Welcome to this session again. And I would want us to look at something very, very small, really, that I've seen disturbing many accountants here. Assuming you've got this kind of a table, right? And perhaps would want to transpose it. So to transpose means changing rows to become columns. Like now this row B, or rather this column B should be able to be a row. So then how do we change rows to become columns? It's very easy. What I'll do, I'll come here, say equals, we make use of transpose, the normal transpose that we normally talk about in matrices. So that's transpose. And then I copy the table, the array. So the table I'll copy from here, Control Shift, right arrow. Still I'm holding on to Control Shift, down arrow. So I've been able to finish everything. The next thing that I need to do is to come and say what here, enter, and that is it. And you'll be able to see that everything now here has been organized. Like this was a column, now it is a row. That is it. And thanks for listening to me. But before I sign off, I would want you guys to join me for my advanced Excel classes and business stroke data analytics. You cannot go wrong by working with us. Bye-bye.